Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to save new Google contact details to Google Sheets automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new contact in your Google Contacts, automatically the same contact should be added as a data into the Google Sheets. But here the question is how to do this? Just because there is no direct connection between Google Contacts and Google Sheets. So first, let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Google Contacts and this is the Google Sheet which I have created. So now I want that whenever I create a new contact over here in my Google Contact, automatically the same contact details should be added to this particular sheet. So I'll just create a contact over here by clicking on this plus sign, create a contact. Let us give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith. Okay, I'll add the email address over here, that is adamsmith22@gmail.com. Okay, and let's add the phone number over here. Let's click on save. And here we can see that a new contact named Adam Smith is saved over here in my Google Contacts. Now let us check our Google Sheet. I'll refresh it. And here we can see that the details of the contact named Adam Smith is automatically added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new contact into my Google Contacts and automatically the details of the contact are added into this Google Sheet. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Google Contacts and Google Sheets, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Contacts with Google Sheets automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use it very easily. So first, we are going to create an integration between Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect will capture all the contact details, and using those contact details, automatically the data will be added into the Google Sheets. And in this way, we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Google Contacts and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as save new Google Contacts details to Google Sheets. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, whenever a new Google Contact is added, the data should be captured into the Google Sheets automatically. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Google Contacts. In the trigger event, let us select new or update contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Contacts. Now here we have to choose an account. So I'll just choose the account from here. And Pabbly Connect Contacts wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Contacts are connected to Pabbly Connect. Let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is not received over here. So in order to capture the response, first we have to create a new contact. So let us go to the Google Contacts, and here I'll click on Create Contact, and let's give the first name. Okay, I'll scroll down, and let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya. Okay, I'll add the email address over here as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Okay, and let's add her phone number also here. Okay, so I have given the basic details over here: Shikha, last name Arya, email address, and the phone number. If you want to add some more details, so from the show more option, you can add more details as per your requirement. Okay, and now let's click on save. It's working right now, and here we can see that a new contact named Shikha Arya is saved. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Again, I'll click on save and send test request, and here we can see that the response is received and all the details related to the contact are captured over here. Okay, let us scroll down. Here we can see the display name as Shikha Arya. Okay, here we can see the email ID, and I'll scroll down. This is the mobile number. Okay, now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now we want that using these details, automatically the data should be captured into the Google Sheets. For that, come to this action window, and here in the application name, let us select Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select Add New Row. Let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection and connect with Google Sheets. Now here again it is asking for the account, in which account you want to link the Google Sheets. So I'll just choose the account. Okay, it wants the access. I'll click on Continue. Authorization successful. Okay, and now we can see that Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. So as now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect, here we can find all the spreadsheets which I have created in my account. So I have created a Google Sheet. I'll show you that. So this is the Google Sheet, Google Contact Data. Okay, where I have the details for the name, last name, email address, and mobile number. So I want the data to be captured in this particular Google Sheet. So let us select this sheet, Google Contact Data. I'll find the same over here, Google Contact Data. Okay, now here we have to select this sheet. So I have created two sheets. Okay, I'll show you once again. Here I have created a sheet named Contacts and Sheet 2. So I want the data to be captured in Contacts sheet. So we have to select the same over here, Contacts. Now here we have to give the details of the contact. So let us map the details which we have already got from Google Contact. So basically we are going to map these details now. Okay, so I'll scroll down. Let us map the first name from Google Contacts, and the first name was Shikha. Okay, last name. So let us find the last name as Arya. Okay, here we have to map the email address. So let us again find from Google Contact, and the email address is shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Okay, and let's map the mobile number now. Google Contacts, and let us find the mobile number. So I'm mapping this mobile number. Okay, and now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. So here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our Google Sheet. And here we can find that the first name, last name, email address, and mobile number is automatically added to this particular sheet. Okay, so now our integration is working fine. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we'll go to the Google Contacts once again. And here we are going to create a new contact. Let's give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta. Okay, I'll give the email address as kuldeepg 22@gmail.com, and let's add the phone number over here. Let's click on save. Here we can see that a new contact named Kuldeep Gupta is added along with the email address and mobile number. Now let us check the Google Sheet. I'll refresh it. Now here we can see that the data is not yet captured just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the data. Okay, so let's wait for some time. And now after 3 minutes, I can see that the data is captured over here. Name Kuldeep, last name as Gupta, email address and the mobile number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let us move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new contact is created into the Google Contacts, automatically a new row should be added into the Google Sheets. And in this way, we can see that we have created a successful integration between Google Contacts and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.